Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss benefits of availing professional DTBook conversion services. Introduction: Digital talking books are one of the latest innovative solutions in the publishing industry. It is an interactive and engaging tool for children and visually impaired users, those who find reading a challenge. A quick brief about DTBook conversion services. DTBook conversion services help in converting printed pages and files in other formats into DAISY-specific formats. Such services are also assisted by intensive proofreading of each character, optimized results by the given guidelines. Benefits of outsourcing DTBook conversion services. Buying the latest software and hiring experienced resources for e-learning content solutions can be expensive. But when organizations opt to outsource digital talking book conversion services, they can access superior conversion services rendered by industry experts at flexible prices. Conclusion: Suntech Digital offers bespoke ebook creation services to clients globally. Our experts will help you drive more sales and conversions, and take your online store to new heights. Write to us at info@suntechdigital.com and request a free trial today. Contact us www.suntechdigital.com 1-585-283-0055 info@suntechdigital.com.